All right, Jersey Gardens, 6:08 p.m. Time check. Saturday vibes. Upper level right now. We're on the upper level. Strolling around. Walking around randomly today. I haven't been doing a whole lot of commentary today. Mostly relaxed. Saturday vibes. I've been chiming in a little here and there. You know, we break these videos up into episodes. Here about 3 hours today. On a Saturday, nice weather outside, so it's not super packed. It's kind of steady, but it's not super packed here today. But even on a nice day, it's still pretty busy. All right. So we're gonna make our way down by Adidas. See, Adidas. They got 50% off of bags. I'm gonna see for the big guy for the camera. See if we can get a Adidas bag maybe on sale. Let's see. Let's stroll around. There's the Primark right there. Got the Primark store. All right, 6:10 p.m. time check. So let's head down to the lower level. I know Adidas, I think Adidas is down here. I don't see it on that direction, so we're gonna go in this direction over here. I'm pretty sure it is down on this level. If you're looking for a spot to go, if you haven't been here yet and you're in the area, there's a lot of variety here. There's so many stores. Jersey Gardens Mall. Yeah, they got everything here. You got a Foot Locker right here. The Vitamin World perfume spot. North Face. Polo, Ralph Lauren. Timberland. H&M. I see the Puma. Cinnabon right here. They might even have more than one. A lot of the malls have like one or two. The pretzel one too. Auntie Annie, maybe it's called. Possibly two of them. I don't know. A lot of the malls have those, a lot of those anti-M's. And in the mall here, you see people wheeling luggage. Newark Airport is close by, so it's very possible that maybe there's a waiting, you know, they come waiting for the next flight out. Maybe they got a flight, it wasn't a direct flight or something like that. Or even a trip to New York City, come here first, that kind of thing. Or even, you know, with the rolling luggage, it's usually probably something like that, or they bought it here because there is a luggage store. You can buy some of those luggage, some of the luggage here. All right, I see the Adidas down there. Mirror moment. Big guy. Good, how are you? Just checking my stuff. All right. So, yeah, this is Adidas. I just passed one. Okay, I passed the opening here. So, gonna take a stroll here into Adidas. Really packed. A lot of people here in Adidas. I like Adidas. Adidas is pretty cool, super cool. And I actually have we have our own store open right now, Pibry. Check it out on the channel homepage. All right, so I'm gonna check out these bags right now, see what's up. I gotta take out the camera, little big guy, so we'll check it out now and come back. Okay, so yeah, got the bag. I got the Adidas bag. I can't really show it on the camera because the camera's in the bag. So this is the first time with this Adidas bag. I'm using it right now. And I have to be sure that the zipper doesn't affect anything. So we're gonna head up to the upper level right now. Okay. All right, so yeah, I got an Adidas bag here for big guy. And the big guy, yeah, the big guy seems to be doing okay with it right now. So yeah, this bag, I like it. I'll show you right now. I can show the bag now. Boom. It's Adidas. Got the microphone right here. Boom. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So far, so good. But I have to make sure in the back here that I don't hit anything with the zipper. But yeah, that's the new gear at the moment. Let's see. So far, pretty comfortable, this bag.
¿El night?
No hagas esto. ¿Sabes qué? No, ya no me gustó. Mejor cambio.
So let's do a time check. It's 8:02 p.m. right now, Jersey Gardens. Okay. Jersey Gardens. So yeah, it's 8:07 p.m. The mall's starting to thin out a tiny bit compared to before. Okay, heading out of the mall right now. So yeah, nice little excursion today. Relaxing vibes. Saturday. Let's do a quick time check. 8:29 p.m. right now. So yeah, the mall's thinning out a bit. There's more people on the lower level, it seems like. So as you see down there, quite a bit of people on the lower level. So yeah, we got copyright music in there, so I'm gonna cut the video. So thank you for tuning in, and see you all in the next one. Peace out.